When it comes to creating high-converting landing pages, there are a lot of tools out there, but today we're comparing two heavy hitters, ConvertKit and Thrive Architect. So, which one is the best landing page software? Stick around to find out because by the end, you'll know exactly which one suits your needs, and I'll share a special recommendation that might surprise you. Let's dive right into it. First things first, ConvertKit. ConvertKit is primarily known for its email marketing features, but it also has landing page functionality. The great thing about ConvertKit is that it's user-friendly and designed for beginners. You get a drag-and-drop editor, pre-built templates, and integrations with your email campaigns, which is really convenient if you're looking for an all-in-one email and landing page solution. But here's the catch: while the templates are nice, they are a bit limited in customization compared to some other tools. Plus, if you're serious about advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to a higher pricing tier. Next thing, let's talk about Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect is part of the Thrive suite, and its landing page editor is built for WordPress. This is where things get interesting because Thrive Architect is extremely flexible and customizable. It's ideal for anyone looking to go beyond the basics and create truly unique, high-converting landing pages. It offers advanced features like customizable sections, advanced design options, and a greater variety of templates, so you're not stuck with the same look as everyone else. However, this flexibility can be overwhelming for beginners who just want something simple and quick. It requires more of a learning curve, and it only works with WordPress, which might not suit those looking for a non-WordPress solution. The third thing to consider is integrations. ConvertKit integrates smoothly with a variety of tools, especially email marketing software, making it perfect for those who want everything under one roof. It works well with other major platforms like Zapier, Shopify, and more. On the flip side, Thrive Architect also offers decent integrations, but since it's more of a standalone WordPress plugin, you might run into some limitations when trying to integrate it with non-WordPress platforms. However, if you're already using WordPress, you're in good shape. The fourth thing we need to talk about is speed and performance. In this area, ConvertKit shines a bit brighter. Their landing pages tend to load faster because the platform is optimized for simplicity and performance. Thrive Architect pages, on the other hand, can sometimes load slower, especially if you're using lots of heavy design elements, and depending on your WordPress hosting, that could impact your landing page speed. Next up, let's look at pricing. ConvertKit's pricing is on a subscription basis, which might feel a little steep if you're looking for just landing pages, but if you want all the email marketing features, it could be worth it. Thrive Architect is a one-time purchase for the plugin itself, but keep in mind, it only works with WordPress. You'll also need to invest in a solid hosting plan for your WordPress site, and that can add to the overall cost. Now, let's get into the crux of the matter. Which one is the best? Well, it depends on what you need. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly, all-in-one tool for email marketing and landing pages, ConvertKit is a solid choice. But if you're more advanced, need tons of customization, and are already working with WordPress, Thrive Architect might be the better option. But here's the thing, both of these options are good, but they come with limitations. After testing both myself, I have a recommendation that could be a game changer for creating high-converting landing pages. If you're serious about landing page software and want something that outperforms both ConvertKit and Thrive Architect, you should take advantage of the free trial linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available and exclusive benefits that are only offered to our viewers. So, if you're ready to level up your landing page game and want a better alternative for what we discussed today, hit that first link in the description for the best deal and free trial. You won't regret it.